Hello scholars, welcome back. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will start our new unit, that is Unit 3 Sports. In this unit we will learn about various sports events conducted in the world. So let us start with our first exercise in this unit. So scholars, here is our exercise number 16, Rio Olympics 2016. In this exercise, we have to answer the following questions about the Rio Olympics 2016 using the words given in the help box. So let's start with our question number 1. Which player won the tennis gold in men's singles event? The answer is Andy Murray. So right here. Now let's move to our question number 2. In which sport did PV Sindhu win a silver medal for India? I hope you know this answer. Yes, you are right. It is badminton. Now let's see question number 3. Which women swimmer of USA won the most number of gold medals, that is in the women's events at the Rio Olympics? The answer is Katie Ledecky. So right here. Now let's move to our question number 4. What was the rank of India among the nations who participated in the Rio Olympics? It is 62. Now let's see our question number 5. Which country won the maximum number of gold medals at the games? Check the answer from the help box. The answer is USA. USA won the maximum number of gold medals. Now let's move to our question number 6. Name the player who won the gold medal in the men's marathon race at the Rio Olympics. The answer is Eliud Kipchoge. The Eliud Kipchoge of Kenya won the gold medal in the men's marathon race. Now let's see our question number 7. Who won the gold medal at the women's marathon race at Rio? The answer is Jemima Sumgong. Jemima Sumgong is a Kenyan long distance runner. Now let's see our question number 8. Who won the gold medal in men's golf event at the Olympics 2016? The answer is Justin Rose of Great Britain won the gold medal in men's golf event at the Olympics 2016. So please write here Justin Rose. So like this we have completed the exercise 16. Now we'll move to our next exercise. So here is our exercise 17, that is Football World Cup 2018. Here we have to take up the following quiz. Check right the correct answer and find out how much did you remember of the FIFA World Cup 2018. So let's start with our question number 1. Which country was defeated by France to win the World Cup? I hope you remember that France was the winner of FIFA World Cup 2018. So the team which is defeated by France was Croatia. It is given in option C. So please put a right tick here. Now let's see our question number 2. Which country qualified to play in the World Cup football tournament for the very first time? The correct answer is option A, Iceland. Now let's see our question number 3. Which country did the famous football player Lionel Messi represent at the World Cup 2018? The answer is Argentina. He was representing Argentina. Now, let's see question number 4. Name the country that has won the Football World Cup 4 times in the past but could not qualify this time to play the tournament. The answer is Italy. It is given in option B, so please put a right tick there. Italy, for the first time since 1958, failed to participate in FIFA World Cup 2018. Now let's see our question number 5. Golden Glove winner Thibaut Courtois belongs to which of the following countries? The answer is Belgium. It is given in option D. Now let's move to question number 6. Harry Kane, who won the Golden Boot award for scoring 6 goals in the tournament, was the captain of the Dash team. He was the captain of England team. So our answer is England. So please put a right tick here. Now let's see our question number 7. Where was the opening ceremony of the FIFA World Cup 2018 held? Do you know this answer? No. It is option A, Luzhniki Stadium, Moscow. So please put a right tick in option A. So like this we have completed exercise 17 also. Let's move to our next exercise. So here is our exercise number 18, that is Asian Games 2018. Take up the following quiz and learn some important facts about the 18th Asian Games, which were organized at Jakarta and Palembang in Indonesia from 18th August to 2nd September 2018. So let's start this exercise with question number 1. What was the mascot of the 18th Asian Games? Do you know what is a mascot? A mascot is a person or a thing that is supposed to bring good luck, especially linked to a particular organization or event. The answer is Bin Bin, Atang Deer and Kaka. Bin Bin represents the colorful bird of paradise. The Atang Deer represents the Bawen deer and the Kaka is the one-horned Javan rhino. Now let's see our question number 2. How many countries participated in the games? The answer is 45. Now let's see our question number 3. Which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Games 2018? The answer is China. So write it here. Now let's move to our question number 4. What was India's place in the medal tally at the Asian Games 2018? Yes, you are right. The position of India in the Asian Games 2018 is 8th with 16 gold, 23 silver and 31 bronze. Total 70. So write here 8. Now let's move to our question number 5. Which country won the men's hockey gold medal, defeating Malaysia in the finals? The answer is Japan. This was Japan's first ever gold in men's hockey at the Asian Games. Now let's see our question number 6. Name the Indian athlete who won 2 medals, that is a gold and a silver, at the 1500 and 800 meter running events respectively? The answer is Jenson Johnson. He won a gold in 1500 meter running and a silver in 800 meter running event. Now let's see our question number 7. Name the boxer who won a gold medal for India at the 18th Asian Games. The answer is Amit Panghal. He won India's only boxing gold by defeating Hasanboy Dastamev of Uzbekistan. So, with this we have completed our exercise 18 also. Now, let's move to our exercise 19. So, scholars, here is our exercise 19, that is cultural sports. Here, we have to match each of the following traditional sports to its correct description. So, as you can see, here we have to match these. So, I want you to solve this yourself, as you are very well aware of all these sports which is given here. So, do it yourself and then you can check your answer from the PDF given in the link below. Okay? Now, let's move to our next exercise. So, scholars, here is our exercise number 20, that is ICC Cricket World Cup 2019. The ICC Cricket World Cup 2019 was the 12th Cricket World Cup, a quadrennial one-day international ODI cricket tournament. It was contested by 10 men's national teams and hosted by England and Wales from the 30th May till 14th of July. So, here are the pictures of the captains of different teams which participated in the tournament. We have to identify them and write their names in the blanks. So, as you can see the pictures of the captains of different teams. So, let's just start with our first picture. I know you know him. There is no need to guess the name here, as we all know he is the captain of our Indian cricket team, Virat Kohli. Now, let's see our second one. He is the captain of Pakistan cricket team. He is Sarfaraz Ahmed. So, write the name here. Now, let's see our third one. He is the captain of Australia. Can you recognize him? He is Aaron Finch. Now, let's see our fourth one. He is the captain of Bangladesh cricket team. He is Mashrafi Mortaza. Write the name here. Now, we'll see our fifth one. He is the captain of New Zealand cricket team. He is Kane Williamson. Now, let's see our sixth one. He is the captain of Sri Lanka cricket team. He is Dimuth Karunaratne. The name is quite difficult to pronounce. He is Dimuth Karunaratne. Now, let's see our next one. He is the captain of Afghanistan cricket team. His name is Gulbuddin Nab. So, write the name here. Now, let's see our last one. He is the captain of England cricket team. His name is Ian Morgan. So, write the name here. So, with this we have completed all the exercises of our Unit 3 Sports. Now, we'll move to our next segment. So, scholars, now we have reached to our segment of Know Your Country. Today in this segment, we will know about a magnetic hill in our country, India. So let's see mysterious anti-gravity hills in Ladakh, that is magnetic hills. With the anti-gravitational effect, this is the only magnetic hill in India. Landmarked by a yellow notice board that spells out instructions and asks you, place your car on neutral gear, right on the spot marked by white paint. This one will leave you in surprise as your car will begin to move up hills on its own. Located at a distance of 30 km from Leh city on the Leh-Kargil highway is a small stretch of road that defies the phenomena of gravity. The reason is the magnetic hill that pulls a stationary vehicle upwards. Famous as the magnetic hill in Ladakh, it is a major tourist attraction in the valley. Now we'll move to our next segment, that is of current affairs. So scholars, here is your segment of current affair. Let's see what is today in this segment. The Skyroot Aerospace, a space tech startup, has successfully test-fired an upper-stage rocket engine, Raman. With this, Skyroot Aerospace has become the first Indian private firm to exhibit the potential to build a homegrown rocket engine. Raman is a 3D printed rocket engine which has been named after Nobel laureate C.V. Raman. Skyroot Aerospace expects to launch its first rocket, which can hurl satellites of 250 to 700 kg into a lower Earth orbit by December 2021. These developments from the private players has become possible after the Union Cabinet's approval of private player participation in space in June 2020. So scholars, with this we come to end of this video. I hope you liked it and understood it well. Goodbye scholars, take care.